In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage your OneDrive files by making them available either offline or online only. This can be particularly useful when you want to access files without an internet connection or save space on your device. Let's start by focusing on files available offline. These files are stored right on your device, allowing you to access and edit them anytime. First, to enable offline access, you'll want to open File Explorer on your computer. Once there, navigate to the OneDrive folder where your files are stored. Here you can browse through your files and find the one you want to make available offline. After locating the file, right-click on it to open a context menu. In this menu you will see an option labelled Always Keep on this device. By selecting this, your file will be downloaded and stored locally, enabling offline modifications. What's great about this feature is that any changes you make will automatically sync with OneDrive once you're online again, ensuring everything stays updated across all your devices. Now let's switch gears and talk about making files available online only. This is a handy way to save space on your device by having files stored exclusively in the cloud, freeing up your local storage. Begin by accessing your File Explorer once again and head to your OneDrive folder. Find the file you'd like to change to online only status, right click on the file to reveal the options menu. In this menu you'll want to select free up space. What happens here is that the file will remain in the cloud, not occupying any space on your device while still being accessible through OneDrive. It's important to remember that online-only files require an internet connection to access. This means if you're traveling or find yourself without internet, these files won't be immediately available to you. On the upside, because these files don't use local storage, you can manage a larger volume of files without worrying about running out of disk space. By understanding how to toggle between these two settings, you gain greater control over how you store and access your data. Whether you need constant access to your work or want to optimize storage space, these tools offer the flexibility to meet your needs. So, give it a try and see how it can streamline your file management process. That's all for today's guide on OneDrive file accessibility. Thank you for watching and happy organizing.